How to add video to Mailchimp email. So first go to Mailchimp and then make sure that you open your email. So let's say this is mine. So what you need to do is you can just click on this add button here at the top left and then look for the video. So let's just scroll down here, look for that video option, this one. Drag this option here to your email. So let's say I'm going to add it here. Now here you can just click on add URL here, and then for example let's go to YouTube. Let's just take an example URL here. So for example I'm going to add this one. Click on the three dots here and then click on share, click on copy this one, go back to Mailchimp, then here just paste the URL here, then click on save, and then you can just, as you can see now, the video has been added here. So that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.